Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Tuesday. As we know that it's actually a CPI day. So which means everything is going to be focusing on that. We are going to focus on CPI later on, but for now, as we know that it's gonna be released around 2:30, it means for now, mostly the market won't be moving very nice. But guess what? We've been eating actually on US30, also Nasdaq. We did send those signals. So this is the main economic news that we have, and this might make the market to go crazy. Let's hope that the numbers are going to go down. If they go down, we are going to buy the likes of Nasdaq, gold, and the other ones, right? So tomorrow, nothing much, and on Thursday we have retail sale. This is also going to be a very good day for us. Then Friday we don't really have much. So on that, I think we have to just skip to the other ones. You can just go on CNBC or Bloomberg Markets, Yahoo Markets, whatever, just to get some updates there. Let's see. China stock valuations are way too low. Strategist, okay. Yeah, you can go there, try to check whatever that you want to check there. I think you can get something just to be up to date. We need to be up to date, guys, with this information, especially when you call yourself a trader, right? So another thing is, don't forget that we still have that special until this Sunday. We have the special for $48. Once you join, you get actually ×2, which is going to be 12 months for only this week. And then after next week, it means that it's gonna be only 6 months. You can scan this QR code or use this WhatsApp number just to talk to me if you want to be part of the team. So what's really happening in the world of the markets? I will start with let me just check what's really happening on Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been flying, guys. We are on 70 something, 71k. And it's been trying to reverse a little bit there, but that was not really enough. Let me change the color. That was not really enough for the market, but it seems like we are going to see some aggressive bullish momentum going further. That's what I see, but there's nothing much. There's nothing much on that. So I saw, okay, now I remembered. So someone said, Kenzo, check GBP, and let's see, let me put this here. I will just do them very quick. I will start with Euro JPY going further, right? So let's see what's really happening. So now we are on Euro JPY. Please, guys, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Share with your friends. What's really happening? We are actually on Euro JPY. The market was going up aggressively, and you see we had that uptrend also there. On top here, we had this nice resistance, a very strong one. So obviously, you can see that the market respected this resistance. So now we had that support, which was also broken. Obviously, now we expect the market to continue going down. Yes, you should know that just because we expect the market to go down, this is a minor pair, so which means the reversals, they can be crazy, but at the end of the day, the market will end up going down. Especially when we say this is a downtrend. So if you can get that on a long term, or let's say swing trade, that can be a very good one. I think the structure is quite straightforward. You can see that the market broke out of this support, then that is a proper sell there, so I think that can be something that you can look at. Another one is gonna be Eurozar. Okay, Eurozar. On Eurozar, I think we did have something like this. The market was actually on this still on this nice uptrend, so I'm still expecting to see some proper push going to the upside as we are on this nice uptrend. You can see that on the bottom side here we had structures like this. So now we are around number 5, but you can see that this support has been there for quite some time, so there is a chance for the market to break out of that. But what I see here is there is also another chance that the market can respect that and push the upside, especially when the market is not breaking the support. We have confidence to say yes, the market might actually continue buying there. GBP, JPY, what's really happening? I'm trying to be as quick as possible because, guys, I don't really want to send 30 minutes videos, even though I try sometimes, but the information is too much, guys. So that is not really possible to keep them very short. So on GBP, JPY, actually the structure, we are on a very nice uptrend, but the market is aggressively going up as GBP is getting stronger. So we had an inner support there. We had this inner support that showed us that the market was continuing on this aggressive bullish move. So we saw that. You see that the market was aggressively continuing. Guess what? Now we have this breakout. This breakout doesn't really mean now the market is on a downtrend. Yes, the market can sell, but we are not on a downtrend. When the market reverses inside the uptrend, that is not a downtrend, it's just a reversal. We call that reversal so that you don't really use confusing words at the same time, because you can say we are on an uptrend, jiggy, you say we are on a downtrend. No, that doesn't really make sense. Even this here, you can see that this is an inner structure, but it's inside our uptrend, right? So a trend moves like this. So if a trend moves like that, you can say this smaller structure is a downtrend. It's just a reversal, go up, reversal, go up, something like that. So even now, yes, we are still on that uptrend, but that might be an interesting structure to look at, because there is a chance for the market to do what? To continue selling, and you can still make something if you're gonna sell there. But when you sell, do remember that we are still on that uptrend. So don't just buy and forget, because the market can still go to the upside as Japanese yen is not really performing very well, right? So now let's push the next one. This is AUD USD. I'm not gonna skip that because already I started with the other ones. So you can see that the market was going down. We had this nice downtrend structure here. Then now the market seems to be breaking out. If I draw something like that, no, still doesn't really make sense, which means there is a breakout of that trend. So which means the market is trying to change this downtrend structure. So if we have this downtrend structure, we can do something like this. We can mark this area, and we have to wait for a proper support. If maybe we can have a proper support, we will see if maybe the market wants to continue, because after the market broke out, we never had any retest. So which means every structure that we have to jump in here, it has to make sense. Yes, the market was going down, and now we see that the market broke out. We're expecting the market to buy, but it doesn't really mean we're supposed to buy anywhere. We have to have proper support, proper resistance. When we break something, then we can buy. When the market is respecting the support, then we can buy. So it means now we have this potential resistance. If the market breaks out of that, we're gonna buy. If maybe the market creates a sort of a support, it means that is gonna be good. Yes, we can buy starting from that level. But for now, I think let's just relax. If it's a trend, it's still gonna last very long, so it's not really a problem. So now we are actually on USD ZAR, USD South African Rand. So you can see that on a bigger structure, this is a proper uptrend, guys, you see. But inside there we had another inside structure, counter support there. So we have to go closer there and see what's really happening. We are still on this uptrend. Yes, we can still have another structure that looks like another trend inside a trend. That's normal, especially with the continuation of that trend. So this is what I saw. Actually, I was supposed to start here, but it's fine. So you can see something like that. So the market came around that number 4. We were expecting it to do the same thing that it did before. You see, we were not just crazy. So the market broke out of that. So which means now the market might be going towards that support, the outer support, which is quite stronger. So if the market respects this area, we know that it's time for us to look for that buy, as we are still on that uptrend. So which means we are supposed to look for those buys There is a possibility that maybe we can see a breakout. That's fine. But for now, I think the market will be going up. You see. So let's push to the next one. I don't even know what is this. USD Canada, what's really happening on USD CAD? We can easily see that we are coming from a very nice structure, which was actually going down. What's really happening now is the market was consolidating. You can see that. I think I did talk about this before, but I stopped showing it because it was just consolidating for quite some time. So now this consolidation, it shows that yes, we are no longer on this downtrend, but still it shows that the market is struggling to actually keep up with that uptrend. Because when you break out of that support, you're telling us that I'm now no longer on that downtrend. We expect me to do what? To go up. But the market just broke out, but is struggling to go up, which means once you start to see something like this, stay out of the market, because the market will just do something like that. Most likely the market might end up continuing with that downtrend. So the best thing is to stay out of the market, unless if you see the market breaks out of that resistance, you can say maybe now this is the continuation of that trend, and then you can buy. But besides that, just relax. That's why we don't really have any trade on USD CAD. So lucky enough, I did cover Bitcoin, so which means those people who said, Kenzo, check this, check that, I think maybe I covered you. So don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends so that the channel can grow. And I really appreciate everyone who is here watching, right? So we are on 11 minutes. Okay. Maybe we can finish before 20 minutes is fine. So what's really happening? We can see that we are coming from a very nice downtrend. The market was going down. This is the time they're talking about cutting the rates. Guess what? The news changed very quick. They said, oh, 1, 2, 3 things are looking to go to change. The inflation is still going higher. Then we started to see this type of an uptrend. Then they changed again. We start to see this breakout. This might continue for quite long, but remember, today it's CPI. For those who don't know, CPI, it's inflation, or inflation is also a bigger weight for some. So I can say it's the indicator for prices for bread, milk, all those things. So if these numbers of CPI are going up, it shows that people are not enjoying the prices. They're struggling because maybe 2 years ago we were paying, let's say we were paying $10. This time we're paying $18. That is crazy increase, you see. So which means if this is going up, if CPI is going up, it might look like it's good for the dollar. Yes, for the dollar might gain something, but it's not really good for people, for consumers, you see. So we like it when it goes down, because when it goes down, there's so many factors. It means this bread maybe might go down to $10, sorry, 10 rands or something. In interest rates might also go down if you're paying your loans, if you're paying a house, if you're buying a car with some loans, whatever. Those interest rates, they do count, you see. So when they say we're going to cut the rates, don't just be surprised when you see the market is flying. It's like everyone is happy. They know that they can start to afford things, right? So simple as that. I think maybe that was simple, right? So now, since we are on this structure, you can easily see that yes, the market was trying to go up, but guess what? The market actually was struggling to go up. The news were not really in favor of the dollar. We saw a breakout a few days ago. We were happy also because we started to see that, oh, things are starting to change. And what I see here is, I think we're going to see a continuation of the sell up to this point. That's what I'm expecting. But anyways, for now, let's just wait for CPI, because for me, the structure, I think, is creating a sort of a support. If it pushes up, maybe it will be going towards this area, creating something like that. Someday will draw something like that around there. It might make sense, you see. But I'm expecting to see this dollar slowly going down, even though it's not going to happen today, but that seems to be going to happen. That trend just started, even if they don't cut the rates now, but this year they might end up cutting the rates. Things are performing very things are going back to normal. So now we are actually on USD JPY. What's really happening on USD JPY? Yes, previous days we were on a very nice uptrend until we got this breakout. On this breakout, I did talk about this. It's not really easy to get in the market because the market is not really giving us some proper structures. But currently, since I said that, it's like now the market is giving us something. This is the first move that we wanted. So that is going to be our potential support. On top there, I'm just thinking maybe this area or maybe that. One of that is going to be our sort of support. But the best thing is to wait for the market to give us that, right? Don't just guess. So yesterday, just because the market was playing around this area, I thought maybe the market will break out and we had a sell pending order. Then the market started to reverse, which is fine because our order was not triggered. So which means we're just waiting for the market to break or for the market to give us a sort of a resistance there that we can work with. For now, yes, we can see that it's a breakout, which means the market is supposed to do what? To go down. But we don't really have proper structure that we can connect and say, you see this area, it's a proper sell. No, we don't really have that. So which means that if you don't really have that, automatically you should know that, okay, this means I'm supposed to stay out of the market. You can do your notifications if you trade that pair. So now you can see that we are on a GBPUSD. The market was going down very nice. Number 4 there, the market broke out. What I like is now the market is giving us, since the breakout, we never had a proper structures, but now the market is giving us a nice resistance there. So we just waiting for a support. The market will do that for us. Then now we will know where to buy or where to sell. That's why we say don't just chase the market. I think the market might end up selling, and then before, let's say maybe we might see a nice buy because I'm expecting CPI to go a little bit lower this evening. So once the market it's respecting whatever, I don't know what is going to respect there. I don't really see any support, but the market has to give us something. I'm expecting to see a nice reversal on GBP USD, right? I'm bullish, but unfortunately I can't get in where we are. So now this is Euro USD structure. You can see we coming from this nice downtrend structure. Now we are going on this uptrend. This is still actually a very fresh trend. It's still very young. We just had only this type of a move, only this move. Here the market was just consolidating, right? But what we see here is it's quite straightforward. The market broke out. This support here is not really like it's a solid one. I just drawn that so that you can actually understand what's really happening. So what I see here is the market might just create something like that. On top there, I can confirm that there is a potential resistance. If we break that, yes, we'll be looking for a buy. But on the bottom side, the market has a choice. The market might come around this level or maybe around this area. So don't mind this diagonal structure. It's there just for you to see the bigger picture. So there is a possibility because I start to see this touch here. Maybe that might be starting to be a potential support. But this is very small ranging. Mostly the market will fool you, end up going down here and continuing. So we don't really want that, but we will see. What I know is we are actually on that uptrend, which means we are expecting to do what? To buy. So let's go straight to gold. What's really happening on gold? Gold is still flying, guys. But what I like there is we're already getting a sort of a resistance. So you can see that, yes, the market was going down. You can see on my previous videos, the market was going down. We had a breakout. We missed that. Now the market is giving us a nice resistance there. So what we want there on the resistance, for those who want to buy, we can say now we have a proper resistance. If the market breaks out of that, we can buy. Or if maybe the market reverses, let's wait for the market to give us a proper support because we can't just jump in the market without a proper structure. So we can't do anything. We can't do really much. So which means we just need to wait and see. Already, yes, the market can reverse. You know what? You can just clap hands for us on this one. We did smash this one very nice. And it did reverse, but never even touched our stop loss. Already I told my people to lock that profit. maybe I can also show you that. So you can see that yes, on US30 we had a proper structure. The market is still going up. Just imagine there's two people who joined yesterday with $48. So obviously if they took this, they already covered their $48. Maybe they made 100, 200. It depends on the lot size that they use. But besides that, you can see that we have this nice support, you see. So the market is respecting that. I'm expecting to see the market breaking out of that. You can see this area, it's something like that. So I told my people to lock, or you can take your partial profits. It's up to you. So as long as you did not really lose anything, it's fine. But to me, this was also quite straightforward. We were going up. This was a support. Yes, the market tried to play games with us, tried to act like it's breaking out. At the end of the day, we did smash that. I'm still expecting to see a continuation of this bullish move, guys. I'm expecting to see a proper buy, but for now, we are already on this buy. I can't say much. What I can say is just join the team. For those who want to join the team so that you can start to eat with us, that is actually the special. You can get 12 months with this 48. Once if you join this week, you get 2 times that 6 months, which means it's gonna be 12 months for $48. So let me know if you want to be part of the team. You can WhatsApp me, you can scan that QR code, then you can just talk to me. So let's push to the next one, which is actually Nasdaq. Nasdaq, we are also smashing there. We are also smashing. What's really happening? We are on this nice uptrend. I've been preaching about this uptrend for quite some time. So you can see that if we go closer there, if we go closer, we are smashing. But remember, there's people who are like me, which we also have some trades around this area. Remember, this was a sort of a resistance. So the market was, let me clear that. So let me just take this, or let me just push it higher. Yeah. So remember this area. Come on, why are you so slow, man? Okay, so you see that we have this nice structure here. We had this nice resistance here. So the market broke out. When it comes to a retest, I thought maybe, you know what, it's time for us to buy. Then the market tried to do what? To go down. But this is no longer confusing because this is actually the structures that Nasdaq is doing these days. So the market is evolving. So even our strategy has to evolve. That's why I did hold those trades. Now the market is coming back. And I also, yesterday, I did send the signal here. I hope you are eating. I don't know if you can lock or just reduce the stop loss because it's actually very close. I was expecting to lock around maybe 18,200, somewhere there. But besides that, besides whatever way we bought, whatever, you can easily see that we can't look, there's no way that we can take a buy. As long as we are on this uptrend, we are forced to look for only buy positions. That's why at the end of the day, we take advantage of those buys, right? So we did take those buys. Let's push to the next one. This video is getting longer. Guess what? S&P 500. Yes, the structure was quite straightforward. You can see this, that the market was going up. I drawn something like that, but I never thought the market was going to respect that. And the market did. So, and we did not really take that signal. But fortunately, US30 and Nasdaq, you were guys actually were eating. Let me show you. Okay, let me show you US oil. US oil is also playing games. I just want to show you actually our signals that we send in the group. So don't just say Kenzo is just talking. You can see this. We have a very nice support on the US oil. We waiting for the market to reach that level before we see a bounce. So let me show you the economy. Sorry, not the economic. There's so much stuff going on in my mind, guys. So I just want to show you the signals that I've sent. Come on. These people, they just want to, let's see, VIP. So if you are in our VIP, guys, just, come on. Just know that the information is always here. I update you about everything. I try to send that sometimes in the group, some free groups, but you can't just get everything. You can see here, I think I was talking about some stuff because I think writing is better than just trying to type every day. So you can see I was updating them. You can see US30. This was the signal before US30. Now I think US30 is around this area. That's why I'm saying that they should be locking their profits. So in free group, I don't think I did send this. So also Nasdaq, you can see exactly where it was. Now it's around this level. So which means we are actually eating. So this is how we send our signals. Not only that, but I also send where you should buy, which like something like that, where you should buy, which you should sell, something like this. So G account means that I also took that on that account. So these are the signals that we took. This one is that USD JPY. I thought maybe it was going to go down. Guess what? It reversed a little bit. But yes, we're still gonna get it because I think that we are still on that downtrend structure. Simple as that. So yes, enough with our signals. If you want to be part of the team, you know what to do. You can just scan this QR code. I'll just do it like that. So you can pause the video. If you want to join us, then you can start to eat with us. So thank you very much. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.